Hola a todos, hoy nos encontramos en Casa Sophia.
Hello everyone, today we are visiting Casa Sophia with Ander Echevarria, founder of 100% Biopasiva and owner of this house. We'll also meet Jose Manuel Ares from Loxone partner Tecnobi Bienestar. We're going to explore this passive house premium, overseen and automated with Loxone with other technologies integrated into the system. It's going to be fascinating to learn how they manage and save energy in this house through automated features. Thank you for welcoming us into your amazing home and showing us around. We're grateful for the opportunity.
Y enseñarnos de qué consiste.
You're about to see all the cool things we've set up here. Truthfully, this project is very special to us. It's not just sustainable housing, it's a passive house premium. An astounding feat as the house generates more energy than it consumes. The entire Loxone automation system has significantly contributed to achieving this goal. So let's go inside and take a closer look.
La automatización de Loxone nos ha ayudado muchísimo a conseguir este fin y bueno, ahora lo vamos a ver y vamos dentro y lo vemos. ¿Vale?
Hey Siri, open the door.
Y a la del planeta.
Casa Sophia originated from the curiosity about building materials effects both on human health and the planet. About 9 years ago we constructed our first showroom located right next door, focusing primarily on energy efficiency. It was fairly straightforward to build to the passive house standard and achieve peak energy efficiency, reducing energy costs significantly. However, we realised we were missing an essential aspect, the healthy and environmentally friendly part. This led us to create Casa Sophia. We began the project in 2016, starting with the design. Sophia in Greek means wisdom, and the house is a reflection of what we have learned over our 30 years in the construction industry. We've achieved several crucial certifications which have led to Casa Sophia gaining recognition as one of the most sustainable homes in Spain. For this project we chose Loxone, a decision that stemmed back from when we had our other showroom. Our electrician Jose Manuel from Tecnobi Bienestar introduced it to us as an option. We began experimenting with it in our other showroom and were extremely impressed by its capabilities. Loxone appeared to us as a system that seamlessly integrates with everything we need it to. It's also very intuitive and easy to manage, covering aspects like energy management, lighting, power consumption and security. So it's a clear choice for us, and here we have it fully integrated.
Del consumo, de seguridad, por lo tanto, bueno, lo tuvimos claro y aquí lo hemos integrado totalmente.
Casa Sophia, being a certified passive house premium, holds several awards. Has Loxone in any way contributed to achieving near zero consumption and aided in meeting the standards for these certifications? Perhaps not directly influencing them, but has it helped in attaining these desired results?
Sí, totalmente.
Yes, absolutely. I believe having an automation system is crucial, especially one like Loxone that integrates everything so perfectly. It significantly aids in managing all our energy needs. For instance, solar power control is essential for a passive house. An integrated control system is vital because we can't leave passive heating or cooling by adjusting the blinds in relation to the sun to chance. Interestingly, we face more overheating issues in winter than in summer, mainly due to the sun's lower, more horizontal angle here in Sierra de Madrid, where it's often sunny but cold. Without automated passive heating control, we would be experiencing indoor temperatures of 28 to 29 degrees Celsius in the winter, which is uncomfortable. The goal is to achieve maximum comfort. In summer, the same principle applies, as the reflected sun also heats the house. Having a system that manages this autonomously is amazing. Whether we're on vacation, away for the weekend, or just out for the day, knowing the house will self-regulate and prevent overheating is awesome. Also, the management of our 2 electric vehicles is a key aspect. During peak generation times, when we can generate up to 13 to 14 kilowatts, the system intelligently decides to charge the vehicles just enough, avoiding excess consumption beyond what we're generating. Since February, we've been generating more energy than we've been consuming. Achieving this would be nearly impossible, or at least significantly harder, without the Loxone automation system.
El tema de la gestión de los vehículos eléctricos me parece también fundamental. Que en el momento del día donde más estás generando, que aquí hemos llegado hasta 13 kilovatios de generación, casi 14 kilovatios de generación en hora punta, que el sistema diga, bueno, pues tú estás consumiendo tanto, estás generando tanto, pues voy a poner a cargar el vehículo justo para que no tengas más exceso de consumo de lo que estás generando, ¿no? Entonces, es fundamental. Todo esto parece que no está ahí, parece que no existe, que no lo ves, pero te ayuda a conseguir lo que hemos conseguido. Que ya desde el mes de febrero seamos positivos, que estamos generando más de lo que estamos consumiendo, ¿no? Y ya digo, esto sería, yo creo que casi imposible, o por lo menos se vería bastante afectado si no tuviésemos la automatización con Loxone.
Server.
The mini server is responsible for managing your energy production and distributing it to the necessary consumers. I understand you've mentioned controlling the electric car charger and the shading system. What other functions does the mini server perform in terms of managing energy consumption? How does it contribute to both savings and user comfort?
Confort y en ahorro.
Efectivamente, la otra parte...
Indeed, another crucial aspect is the management of air conditioning and lighting. In both cases, there is significant potential for energy savings. Taking lighting, for example. Many of us, especially those with children, are familiar with the scenario of lights being left on and having to constantly turn them off. Here it's great. As you move around the house, sensors activate lights when luminosity is low and turn them off seconds after you leave the room. You can leave the house knowing everything is turned off, eliminating unnecessary consumption. Regarding air conditioning, in a well-designed passive house, the need for heating or cooling is minimal. However, having control over it, ensuring each room maintains its desired temperature, adds not only to energy savings but also to comfort. The comfort is a fundamental pillar of why we engage in this type of construction. To have all these features integrated into a single application in a single installation is incredibly valuable. It's not just about the cost savings, but also about the comfort and efficiency of energy consumption in the house.
También proporciona confort, que para nosotros es quizás uno de los pilares fundamentales de por qué hacemos este tipo de construcción, ¿no? Y si juntas todo esto en una sola aplicación, en una sola instalación y te aporta tanto, bueno, creo que poco más hay que decir, ¿no?
A nivel de coste.
In this home, all technologies are integrated. How does that impact your energy bills?
¿Cómo se repercute toda esta tecnología en tus facturas? ¿Cómo te llegan y cómo gestionan?
In this house, we've implemented a unique system that's currently proving to be highly effective. As a positive house, we generate more energy than we consume. Initially, we plan to use 2 physical battery storages, but they are quite expensive and have a limited life, so we've adopted a system called a virtual battery. The virtual battery concept works by storing the energy surplus, particularly in the spring-summer season when we generate the most, in a monetary form. We have a 23 kilowatt installation with panels facing east, west and south, ensuring energy generation throughout the day as the sun moves. When we generate more energy than we consume, achieving a net zero consumption, the excess energy is converted into monetary credit, stored in what we like to call the piggy bank, our virtual battery. During winter, if we have cloudy days for a couple of weeks and need to draw from the grid, the system compensates by using the stored credits. This way we maintain our positive energy status due to the substantial generation capacity. All of this energy management is streamlined through our Loxone automation system, making it easy to maximise the benefits from our large photovoltaic installation.
Sería esta batería virtual. Entonces, toda esta energía lo que hace es que cuando viene, por ejemplo, en invierno, tenemos 2 semanas de días nublados, pues y te sale a pagar algo de la factura, lo que hace es compensártelo y cogerlo de eso que tienes guardado, ¿no? De esa forma, pues siempre vamos a estar en positivo, porque ya digo, tenemos mucha generación. Y bueno, todo esto, como comentábamos, como lo tenemos todo gestionado con la automatización, pues es muy fácil aprovechar al máximo toda esta instalación fotovoltaica tan grande que tenemos.
Relacionado un poco también con todo el tema.
In relation to energy management, could we also discuss the aspects of irrigation and the plant covers? I believe these are also controlled. How is it managed?
Sí.
¿Y cómo lo hacéis?
Vale, pues aquí tenemos...
In this house we have 3, no actually 4 irrigation zones. The building is equipped with a filtration system, which then supplies water to the bathroom cisterns and all of the gardens. We have a green roof, a vertical garden and various ground level gardens surrounding the house, as well as an interior garden under the staircase. All of these are managed with Loxone, including humidity sensors that determine whether the plants need watering. The system is particularly efficient because it's integrated with the Loxone weather station located on the roof, which predicts whether it will rain. If rain is forecasted, the system will not water the gardens to conserve water. This aspect of water management is crucial not just for energy efficiency, but also for sustainability. Ensuring that irrigation occurs only when necessary is a significant part of what makes a house environmentally friendly and sustainable.
Es fundamental, ¿no? No solamente la parte de energía es importante a la hora de hacer una vivienda de alta eficiencia energética y que sea sostenible, sino que el agua es muy importante. Entonces, tener todo gestionado de forma que riegue solo, exclusivamente cuando es necesario, me parece fundamental, ¿no?
Importante también el tema.
Safety is indeed a fundamental aspect. I understand that there are both anomaly detection alarms and intruder alarms in place. How do these systems function?
Yes, certainly. Safety features like water sensors are crucial, and I find Loxone's approach particularly impressive. While new homes might have a lower risk of escape of water, there's always a possibility of an oversight, such as leaving a tap on or a burst pipe. We have installed water sensor airs in all the areas that could have escape of water, not just in the 2 kitchens but also in all 4 bathrooms. In fact, we've had an instance where a spill triggered the alarm. When this happens, the system sends alerts through the phone, activates all the house's lights, and even adjusts the blinds in case you're outside and missed the phone alert. But most importantly, it automatically shuts off the mains water supply, reducing any possibility of flooding the house.
Te avisa el teléfono, te avisa con la iluminación, parpadeando de toda la iluminación de la casa, incluso moviéndose el control solar por si acaso estás fuera y no lo estás viendo. Y te manda al teléfono el aviso y, sobre todo, lo más importante, te corta el suministro de agua, ¿no? de la red, con lo cual es imposible que llegue a...
The significance of these systems become particularly evident in scenarios where there's a leak that you haven't noticed. Without such a safety feature, you could end up with not only a flooded house, but also substantial expense due to the leak being prolonged.
Indeed, the instant detection of potential issues are key benefits to the system. Another significant aspect is the impact on insurance. With the integrated security features from Loxone, we've seen a decrease in the homeowners' insurance premiums. Flooding is one of the main reasons people often claim on their home insurance, alongside break-ins and thefts. We have taken precautions against these as well. We've installed sensors on both exterior and interior doors, as well as on all the windows. The alarm system is extremely loud, alerting the entire neighbourhood when triggered. While you could opt for a third-party security system which incur monthly fees, our system only requires a one-off payment. This makes it not only a cool place to live, but also a very worthwhile investment.
De tercero, pero te cuesta dinero todos los meses. Este lo pagas solo una vez y ya está, ¿no? Entonces, creo que es muy interesante y merece muchísimo la pena.
Passive houses play a fundamental role in promoting health. Ultimately, one of the primary objectives of building in this manner is to ensure that the house is not only environmentally sustainable, but also facilitates to healthy living. This includes maintaining good air quality and indoor climates. Managing these aspects is of great importance.
Yes, the aspect of air quality is incredibly important, especially within the passive house standard, and even more so in our case, where we've embraced the biopassive aspect. We're constantly monitoring a range of data including formaldehyde, volatile organic compounds, suspended dust particles, tropospheric ozone and soon radon gas, along with CO2 levels, temperature, humidity, etc. This monitoring is possible for a Loxone compatible device which integrates all this data into the Loxone system. We're obtaining some truly remarkable data reinforcing the rationale for using materials with low environmental impact and minimal health risks. Loxone plays a key role here in controlling the ventilation system. Typically we maintain around 410 to 420 CO2 particles per million throughout the day, which is almost like breathing pure air. We have set the system so that once the levels reach 600 CO2 particles per million, the ventilation system's speed or flow rate increases, ensuring the air quality is maintained at an optimal level.
Pero le hemos dicho que cuando llegue a 600 partículas por millón, el nivel, o sea, la velocidad o el caudal de la ventilación suba, ¿no? Entonces, ventile, digamos, más rápido.
As installers and electrical integrators, we are particularly committed to this approach because it allows us to effectively combine all the various systems that converge in a building. In this case of a passive house, this integration takes on added significance. We're able to address air conditioning and shading control in a more exhaustive manner, which is a crucial aspect for ensuring well-being within the home. Moreover, the rest of the installations also benefit from this approach. With Loxone, we can manage them cohesively. All the systems within the building are completely unified, working together in harmony. This integration ensures that the operation of the home is fully optimized, enhancing every aspect of living in such an environment.
Información para que lo que es el funcionamiento de la vivienda se vea mejorado.
Thank you very much, Ender, for opening the doors to your home and showroom. It has truly been a pleasure.
Thank you very much to all of you. We are truly delighted with the service that you've been offering us for some time now. For us, Loxone has been a unifying factor in our project. Most importantly, I'm struck by the ease of integrating Loxone into energy efficient and sustainable housing. Such integrations is crucial in achieving our goals of sustainability and efficiency, which are so necessary in today's world of construction.
Integrar este sistema, en este caso Loxone, en viviendas de alta eficiencia energética, en viviendas sostenibles, que tanto ayuda, ¿no? a conseguir este fin y que tanto necesitamos. Total. Hoy día no, que haya una construcción de este tipo.
Perfecto. Sí.
Perfect. Well, I'm also very glad for the collaboration and the opportunity to have this project showcased today. So that concludes our video for today. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you did, please feel free to like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our latest content. Thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you soon.
Y hasta pronto.
Muchas gracias.